Hello everyone, welcome to my today's video. Hope you are doing excellent. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily draw any chemical structure of any compound. So first we are going to do this using ChemDraw just within 1 minute. So let's do it. I'm opening my browser and I am typing PubChem, PubChem, and yeah, I am clicking on the first result and I will add the link in the description box. Once I have opened PubChem, from here I have to search for the compound which structure I need. So I am here searching for azoxystrobin. Okay, so we can here see some results, and among these I have to select the first one, which is the best match. Clicking on this, and in this page we can see the chemical attribute of our compound. What we have to do is scroll down and check in the section 2. We are searching for Canonical SMILES. So I am copying the Canonical SMILES by simply pressing Ctrl C. Now minimizing my tab, and here I am opening ChemDraw. So inside ChemDraw I am clicking on Edit tab, then Paste Special, inside it SMILES. So I am clicking on SMILES, and here we got the structure. You may check it, it's the most accurate and time-saving one. So what we have to do next is let's add the name of our compound. I am typing here azoxystrobin. Well, the name is not that visible. What I have to do is selecting the name. I can adjust the font family and font size. So I am increasing the font size. Yeah, quite visible. I am making it bold to get a sharp look. Yeah. So I am saving it by clicking on File, then Save As. So I want to save it in an image format. I am preferring TIFF and naming my file at AZ. I am saving it on desktop. Okay, so let us check. Here is our final molecular structure. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this useful, please don't forget to subscribe the channel for further updates.